Hello guys, welcome to my channel how to fix for Windows update problem. This is the encrypted error, then step by step follow for this solve this error code. Okay, then go to the first step for troubleshoot the Windows update. We will click to the search bar, search the settings, click to the system option. You will start it to you will scroll down for see the troubleshoot. Click to the other troubleshoots. See the Windows update. You will click to run to any one error showing to wait for a few minutes. I will tell the full details for the Windows troubleshooting problem. Okay. And checking the pending restart. Okay, this is the background running. Okay. Then connect to the second step for it open the CMD. We see that these two commands you will. I will provide this with this description. You will copy to paste. Okay. I will copy this command to you will search the CMD. CMD. Then right click to run as administrator. Click to you will press the control plus V to scan out. Then you will wait for a few minutes. So this is a verification for 100% completed. To see the second command, you will click to enter. To you will press the enter. Okay. After you will see the operation successful. So you will close the CMD. Then third step for change the Windows update in automatic in services. Okay. This is loading. You will see the any fix option you will showing to you will get fix it, or you will see the any error you will get check to get fix this problem. Okay. Click to the search bar, tail step for services, get open to the services to scroll down to see the Windows update, then right click to properties. You will start apply for automatic, you will services status for already is running. You will change it to click to apply, click to OK. Then finally you will click to the Windows icon, get restart your PC or laptop with this problem for solve it. After that you will search the settings to click to the Windows update. You will click to the recent updates to get updated. Okay. Then anyone to pin the comment and thank you for watching.